Hey guys, today we're gonna go check out a first-gen Bronco. I built a whole wiring harness for it, and customer's firing it up for the first time here. I'm gonna see if she runs. Yeah. What year is your Bronco?
What is this, 76?
76, yeah.
1976, Ford Bronco.
And what's this engine now?
It's a 347.
Nice.
A stroker 302. It's about 425 horsepower. Should be way too much power for this truck.
Right on.
Right?
Let's hear it run.
Goes and
I put straight water in it just in case.
Oh yeah. That's all I run in the Fairlane is straight water with water wetter.
Don't. No.
Okay, it's gonna be loud.